Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Swim 2 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your device. Now, let's continue with the reset. So first thing we need to do is to press and hold the up button to open the menu. After the menu opens, you can use the up and down buttons to scroll through the menu. Now, scroll through the menu, find the option called the system, select it, and then press the start button to enter. Now, scroll through the system menu by pressing the up and down buttons, find the option called the reset, select it, and then press the start button to enter. And here, scroll through the menu, find the option called delete all, select it, then press the start button to enter, then scroll down to accept, select it, and press the start button to confirm. And now we need to wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.